Kwingineko, kongamano la tatu la mashirika ya kijamii ya Afrika Mashariki litafanyika hapa jijini Nairobi kati ya tarehe 27 hadi tarehe 29 mwezi wa Mei mwaka huu. Kongamano hilo linaloandaliwa na baraza la mashirika hayo linawaleta pamoja washirika hayo kutoka kwa lengo la kulainisha mifumo ya utangamano baina ya jamii za Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. Rais William Ruto wa Kenya ameratibiwa kuwa mgeni wa heshima kwenye kongamano hilo ambalo kauli mbiu yake ya mwaka huu ni kuboresha uongozi, kukuza uchumi na ushirikishaji wa kijamii wakati huu wa kidijitali. Zaidi ya wageni 400 kutoka mataifa wanachama wa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki wanatarajiwa kuhudhuria kongamano hilo.
We are pleased to announce the official launch of the 3rd East African Civil Society Summit, which is scheduled to take place from the 27th to 29th of May 2025 right here in Nairobi, Kenya. The flagship regional event convened by the East African Civil Society Organization brings together voices across the East Africa region to reflect, challenge, and shape the cause of integration in East Africa community. A space anchored in Article 129 of the EAC Treaty, the summit offers a rare, valuable platform for civil society policymakers, private sector, and youth leaders, media and development partners to co-create solutions to shared regional challenges. This year's gathering will revolve around the theme, Harnessing East Africa Community Citizen Potential and Participation in the Regional Integration Processes, and the sub-theme, Innovating Regional Integration, Advancing Governance, Economic Growth, and Social Inclusion in the Digital Age. And we are proud to confirm our invitation to His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, the President of Kenya, as the guest of honor in this summit. We are also honored to announce that we look forward to having the representation of the Ministry of Information, Communication and Digital Economy of Kenya as the keynote speaker, reflecting on Kenya's growth, leadership in digital policy and regional integration. Moreover, we are privileged to welcome CSO representatives, the East African community leadership, government partners, development partners, media representatives, private sector, academia, and globally recognized digital governance experts as guest speakers. Their presence reflects the summit's strong commitment to ensuring that innovation is not only celebrated but meaningfully connected to inclusive governance and citizen participation.
Na tukisonga mbele ni